You feed Mimi, Chico.
Yang. 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 Tawagan mo si Bani kay si Mimi mo igutom.
Mimi, no. You feed Mimi, Chico. Chico, feed Mimi.
Si Pani?
Oh, dagan lang 300 ka. Oh.
Ano man si Yura
Feed Mimi.
Ako lang.
You feed Mimi.
Ay, ikaw, go there in the kitchen. May food ka dun.
Ayaw kay mauna yung gidala diri.
Ay, kay Chico na eh. Oh, yeah, this is yours eh. Ayun, kay Mayumi.
Tagay si Mayumi, Chico.
Dito ka.
Come on, Mayumi.
Bigyan mo
let's
ng
go to
soup
the
sa
Bani.
si Mayumi. Bigyan mo ng
Lola
soup.
is there.
Ayan na, ayan na. Oh, tagay na siya,
Come on.
Chico.
Come on, let's go, Lola.
1 spoon lang, Chico. 1 spoon.
Come on.
Ah, sa'yo lang yan.
Dito.
Botnan mo, kuya, haka.
Ako lang, Lola.
Finish it first. Ha? Nag-crave siya ng lechon baka, guys. Pero tapos na kami manihapon. Ang gisudan na mo ganina bulad. Tapos ang gisnak
Baka
sudan
kasi-
yun ng lechon baka.
Baka kasi sabihin ni Madam Ten Gives, nagugutom tayo pag wala siya. So, nag-swipe tayo. You swipe.
Gisway pa rin sa kanya.
Makita mo si sa bill mo ha, meron dyan 698. Baka chon.
Saan na puntaan? Ano yung inainom mo?
Homemade matcha from Starbucks.
From Starbucks, yung powder.
Yung powder, galing kay Madam Ten Gives pa rin. Wala talaga tayo, guys.
Chico, what's that? What are you eating?
Small lang. Ito, small. So,
I'm making a ball.
Gidulaan. Ay, ang bote mo, Chico, pating.
Yeah, chop it.
Can you please finish your soup and then bring it to the kitchen?
Very good ka. Nagkaon na ka, wala.
Nagit ka na? Nagit ka na, wala pa.
Nagkaon ka ganina? Wala dyan pa siya nagkaon. Hindi, ipatulog ganino mo ganina. Wala ka man ngayon nagkaon.
Nagit na.
You want rice again?
Yeah.
You want more rice?
No.
Gusto mo pa? Hindi na.
That's for me. Kali ko, ma'am. Ano eh? Tay.
Oh.
Good. Wow.
Very good. Very good, Mimi. More? More? Ilagay mo kasi sa gitna yung pagkain.
Oh.
Wow! Oh, mag-atras. You like soup? Sarap, sarap.
Good.
Hmm? Ang nang.
You get soup.
Chico, careful ha. You chew properly.
Go eat your food.
You drink your water na.
I'm done.
Wow.
I'm done na?
Okay.
Ganahan siya soup. Wala na yung mabilin.
Ah, yummy. Wow.
Careful. 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 Oh.
Why are you raining your
Dagan siya
cat?
maikot. Careful. Oh, dirty na yung clothes. Ay, pabagal ko na to. Siya She's sleepy daw. Siya na yun.
Oh, that's big, ha?
Kung natulog lang ang kagay na po, Ranger, mong takaron.
Mas din na. Mas din na.
You wash your hands in the kitchen.
Nagalat na hulog ko eh.
Mas dagan pa nahulog dito sa nahungit.
Ganaan ka sa sabaw.
Mm.
Wow, very
Yummy.
good.
Dagan ka talaga na dami tulagang.
Apo. Si Mayumi lang yung daghan.
Ang duwali ay.
Upat, tulo.
Okay.
Eat the rice, Mimi.
Gawas, Meg. Dila.
Mimi, eat the rice.
Oh, rice the rice.
Yan. Hmm? Kabaw lang tanan. So, you eat the rice.
Wow, na ko tong sabaw ron na ang manok wala nun. Ang sabaw na lang nabilin. So, galang mo yung
Ganaan mo yung ano.
galang mo yung gulay.
Wala na kayo manok.
Tubig lagi. Ang mga manok ng kulay nasa baba ang tubig lagi. Grabe.
Ito.
Pangkarinderya ba?
Lagi. Sani?
Finish?
Pag mo lagi.
Done?
Water.
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 Ya, ina si Aiko paadto ta mga bata. Okay, tinagsabaw ko manok ang sabaw. Wow!
Sirok magkaig sabaw. Mimi, drink water.
Water na food, water na food. Ayan. Tigala ko pag-open pa lang na ako first time mo dyan eh. Yung palawi naman ang
Yay, finish. Up, up, up. Matrasan niya ban.
water. Gawin pa tumbling po siya.
Tumbling. Tumbling. Go. Yeah. Pak. Go, Ning Ning. Your turn. Ala, bugat. Na, nang luod na. Go na, Ning. Go, Mayumi. Ikaw na. Ikaw na, Gening.
Sino third?
2 plus 2. Saan, Ning? Up. Te, bago pa naman magkaon. Mimi, my turn. My turn. Kabalo ka na, Ning.
Georgie, sabay Georgie, go!
Dali na, ikaw, Ning. Dali ako sa'yo. Dali na. Ako ngeri sa'yo, dali.
Dali, madam, baby, baby! Tabangan na mo! Help na mo, dali!
Dali na ba?
Your turn! Morning! Morning!
Oh, morning.
Morning!
Ayaw na lang.
Dali, dali!
Your turn, your turn.
Your turn!
Ano yan, Ning? Pony?
1, 2, 3!
How about Mayumi?
Stand up! 1!
Mayumi.
I win!
Oh no! It's okay, you just make a rainbow. Okay, we will buy Mayumi. Let's buy a color book for Mayumi.
But I got so many colors. But should buy it for me.
Okay, we will buy for Mayumi colors and color book. Share, please.
Sharing is caring.
But you were breaking this one.
But it's okay, I can print a lot of that. I can give you Dandy's World.
I want that new one.
I can give you Spranky.
I want that.
I can give you everything.
I want that
You cannot get me.
Okay, Calby.
I want unicorn, but this one is pony. Then I want unicorn.
Okay, I will print tomorrow 100 papers.
Toy Story.
How about Calby? You want Spranky?
I want Frankie and Dandy World.
Okay, how about Mayumi? What you want? Mayumi.
I want I want pony.
Pony gani sa'yo.
Asa ang to?
Mayumi.
Asa ang dice morning? Nasaan dahil?
Aso, anong dice?
2, 3.
You keep on looking on the dice. Kanina pa.
But I found it in the first time.
Oh no! Boss Jin can't carry. Up. No hurting. No hurting. Pak, pak. Pak. Up. Ah. Ah, wala man na hit. Wala man na hit ah. Wala man na hit ah. Okay, but it's almost lang man. Mayumi, can you make me a bracelet? Can you write my name?
Stop using my bracelet!
Harmon, share your toys.
But he missed already. Don't copy clean.
Okay, Kalbi will clean.
Please, please, please. Put it back. Please. Alam mo, galit na si Mayumi. Ay, si Muning.
Where's the remote, Jericho?
It's on Tita Aiko. What do you want?
Story.
Jericho, where's the remote?
Toy Story.
Where's the remote, Jericho?
Toy Story.
Can you show me the remote?
I'm gonna look up. Person! Chico! Chico, no! 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 Dangerous! My mommy or not. Only just me.
Up, no jumping there on the bed. Go down. You want to be like the monkey who broke his head?
You know, my friend said
Dito tayo, come na.
you become, you have big
I will play monster. I will play monster.
Mommy, scary.
I will play monster.
Amaw di ay.
I am a monster.
Chico!
Sakay na Mimi. Upo na, upo.
Sabi sa Dani Mother, alam mo, wala na yung bangko sa dialysis kaya.
Ayan, si Georgie. Si Jericho na Cute! Go!
Small one now, small one.
Calvi.
Did you get a small?
Oh no!
Chico,
oh,
did
no.
you? Chico, respect that. Sorry.
And I was here. No, I was here.
Paghigdaan naman.
Dadoy! Wait!
Wait, no, I remember you were around here.
Mimi, come. Tumbling ka, tumbling. Hello, may monster na.
Baka kapag dyan, Chico, wag dyan.
Nansa ka? Nagkalagay ka.
Lock the door.
Unsa man no?
Silip-silip lang ka.
Say sorry with her mouth open. I can't just let her
This
go
is
out.
sorry.
So what? What is she, Momo? Momo ka?
Maglihok ka.
I have
The 2025 Labubu. Labubu.
Okay, she's
Up!
So you may say Labubu.
Boo!
No. Up.
Jericho, oh no!
Say Labubu.
Boo boo.
I have the 2025 version of Labubu. Look there. Look there. Labubu.
Scary. Chico? Oh. Jericho, what is the Filipino of eat? Ha? Magkain? What is good morning in Tagalog?
Because you did not say sorry to me properly.
Magandang.
Even the first
What is good evening
Sorry.
in Tagalog?
you did not look at me.
You join the snake and ladders.
Beep, beep, beep. If I go to one,
Why?
I'm the super one.
Where's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please don't give me. Don't give me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Dili lagi kay nawala mo na yung tattoo niyan. Hindi ka balik ibalik.
Oh, you're here.
I'm
Oh,
the
no, no.
one.
If you're on this,
You want Lego, Chico?
di ba I'm up there? Okay. Ayumi!
Hi.
Haha!
Diamond bag. Now I'm a lot bigger than Frankie.
Toy Story. Give me a big number.
Toy Story. One who's
One big number to play na. Okay, you don't have to
Mimi. Hide, hide.
Get the dice.
Saan yung monster pala? Saan? Saan ang monster? Mimi. Saan? Saan ang monster? Bye. Bye-bye. Tagan-dagan na magbalik ron.
Give me 7.
What are you doing? Ang kamot lagi ka dira. Why you put lotion? Nag-breakfast ka na? Ano sa'yo mo sa
Corn beef.
corn beef. You see your vlog here on my Facebook when you were little, then you want to eat corned beef.
Yeah.
You have it here. Where's Ashley?
Actually, eating.
Eating? Ashley? You're going to study, right? Oh, you're going to do stuff for your school. Okay.
I thought you need to go to the dentist.
You have dentist today? 1:30 p.m. And who'll be with you?
Excuse me? You ride tricycle?
You ride tricycle down? Muning said,
But you said, oh, wala lang.
but who will bring you there?
Then who will bring you in the home?
Baka ba, di ba may tracking? Di ba may tracking? Saan si Tita Aiko?
Tita Aiko nag-ano kay Jericho.
Ay, naglalis pala sila? I vlog you put lotion. Kay Artie ba mo? You mix in your hands first and your palm. Like that, and then you wipe on your legs. Ah, kuyawa, ay, arte man kayo. And the toenails also. The toenails. Your toenails.
Where?
Yung sa paa mo. The kuko in the feet, you include the foot lotion. Yan. Sana all red pa ang feet. Be.
Ow!
Sana all red pa ang feet.
Stick. Natanggal?
Natanggal.
Kuya, natanggal.
Wala
Why do you
matanggal,
change
oh.
green?
I love green.
Bruh.
Bro. Diba I love
It's
pink?
not the same. No, I mean that short. It's a coffee.
Magit ka, you want to eat avocado and milk? That's me.
but I eat that by my mom.
Pero, are you working?
There.
Yes. Nag-work ka, Neng? Saan ang speaker mo? Tutay mo eh.
Ano po tayo, Neng?
You look like Lavandera. Look at your hair. It's so messy.
Kuyo naningil.
Naningil ka, Ses?
Ningil na, Neng. Dagan og dyan, Neng.
Ses? Naningil ka? Oh, Ses?
Ah, Ses.
Ano ba yan? Dimple mo, Ses?
Okay, yo. Maning sulod maningil.
Ning, I want your eyebrows.
Yes. Excuse me?
Can I have it?
No.
Can I have it?
No.
Can I have it? La, ikaw lang maiwan dito, Ning.
What?
Ikaw lang maiwan ka dito sa bahay. Si Ashley mag-go sa dentist. Ako mag-go ako anywhere. What are you pressing? Maka-work yan ni Tita. Ala ka. Get anymore.
Loading.
Where did you came from? Where did you go? Why? Why you didn't bring me? Na-surprise sila? What happened to Chico's face? Naligo si Ashley.
Naligo na pupo.
Kobe, can you say something to where you go?
I went to the swimming pool.
And then,
And then,
why you did not bring Mooning?
because he was...
Ah, she has cough. Oh, she have cough. Where's my Yumi? Chico, come here. Tell me something. Where did you go?
To the pool.
Pool what? Why you did not bring Mooning?
Tay sabon mo siya.
Ha? Sabon?
Yeah, sabon.
Say sabon si Harmon. Manako. Say sabon ning.
Stubborn.
Stubborn? Bakit?
Stubborn. Yeah, giving ako.
Hindi, because she have cough. Di ba, Ning?
But I sprained it.
Okay lang.
Kami like this,
Mimi, ba? Hi!
Nago si Tita May. Oh. Nago na, ikaw? Kay Mami Princess.
Wala, oy, naman ko siya sa kitchen. Good morning! Yeah, careful, careful, careful. Chico. Chico.
Wala na may umi. Oh, wala na.
Chico.
Ayan.
Kuyawa ni mo sanina dayo ni yun manday.
Asipadobe. Asipadobe. Na 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 dog.
Oh,
Eat muna tayo.
eat mo na daw, eat. Eat na eat. Eat na eat. Go na. Dali na, Mayumi, let's eat. Soup. Let's eat soup, come. Shh. Dali na ba? Dali na, eat tayo soup.
Sorry na, gipalit sa iya naman.
Mimi, let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. No? Let's go na. Ta.
Tingon ka, Carl.
Mayumi, let's go SM. Let's go SM. SM tayo na. Ta. Tara na, tara na. Ay, salamat Lord. Ayaw niya magsama. Wala akong gastos ngayon. Dahil na. SM tayo, SM. Ayaw niya na eh. Ayaw pag-ilis. Dili ta maglakaw. Parang ito yung mauna magbihis. Marok, ayaw ba? Ano kay SM? Mayumi, come. Let's go na. SM tayo.
Dugaya ba
Ta.
pa? Yun na kasi yung mga man
Ta.
dito na.
Let's go, SM. Let's go. Bye-bye. Ayaw niya talaga mag-SM, guys. Oh.
Tingon ka, Carl.
Na, car tayo?
Okay, this is the word. Ikaw, te. Ikaw
My turn, my turn.
Nakita ni mo, wala?
Wala.
Okay.
What's
Action!
this?
Action!
Your action.
Your action.
Dancing.
Pipi. Pipi.
Dancing.
Pipi. Pipi. Pipi.
What P?
Actioning!
Pipi.
Ay, giingon man. Don't say the word.
TikTok.
Okay, Calvin's turn.
Calby's turn to guess.
You know how to read name? Ay, wala si Maling.
Dili, tungod na sa sige golden.
Say the name.
Okay.
Calby will guess. What's that, be?
Chicken.
Okay, think of a word, Chico.
So easy.
Oh, dito ka.
Easy.
Here, I'll do for you. I'll do for you.
Okay, okay. You guess for ano, you guess for Chico will guess. What's your action?
Marunong naman pala magbasa si Muning.
Okay. Go, Chico.
You guess.
You guess. You action, Calby.
Action, Calvi. Action.
Gumball? No!
Yes.
No! Gumball! Gumballs are not scary.
Okay, tell Muning
No,
action.
lion.
Tell Muning. Okay, actioning.
Lion.
Actioning here.
Go. Let's make the same. Let's make scary.
Okay.
Dragon. Dragon. Bah! Ah! You break that.
Go, go, more
What's
pa,
the
hindi
word?
ka
What's the
na-guess.
word?
Okay, Muning will guess. Sige, ikaw, Ning. Ikaw,
I'll
Ning.
give you an easy one. Let me do. Hay nako. I said phone.
Dito ka, Ning. Hulaan mo, Ning.
Okay, Muning will guess.
Okay,
Be, what's the word?
Pupo. Pupo.
have to
You
say
said it.
Okay, next word. Dito ka lang.
Siopaw.
Super.
Chico!
Super. Now my comb.
Congrats guys, Chico eh. Ewan ko sa'yo. Mayumi, what are you doing? Dance? Chiki, chiki, chiki. Quack, quack, cha, cha, cha.
Tell Chico what to act. Tell Chico what to act. Don't tell the word lang. Tell her. Tell him what to do. Go, 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 go.
Ah, yay! Tama!
Reaching life. Lang, nabisi stop. Okay,
Place.
this time you have to fold the paper into
Place.
two. Fold the paper.
Fold it in
Fold.
half. Marites, oh.
O pa siya naman, perfect naman yan.
Okay,
May
mag-usap.
lisod siya dyan.
Okay, Dan.
Okay, play.
Half lang, half lang. Kaapat mo na yung Okay, Dan.
Play. Ah, grabe si Mayumi, oh. Nag-exhibition na.
Gymnastics.
Ay, simuli. Ah.
Stop! Chico, your feet.
Okay, next. Go, go.